Welcome to the Farm to Table series at the farm at Okefenokee, where simple living, good food, and cabin life all begin in the garden. Today we're joining Jenny as she harvests one of the South's most iconic, nutrient-packed vegetables, collard greens. Collards thrive in the cool seasons here at the farm. Their deep roots and broad, hardy leaves make them a southern staple, rich in vitamins A, C, and K, fiber, and natural antioxidants. Traditionally, collards have been seen as food as medicine, supporting digestion, calming inflammation, and helping strengthen bones. Back at the cabin, Jenny gives her fresh-picked leaves a good rinse. Collards grow close to the earth, so a thorough wash makes sure they're clean and ready to use. She trims out the thick stems, stacks the leaves, rolls them tightly, and slices them into ribbons before chopping them into 1-inch pieces. Collards can handle heat beautifully, which makes them perfect for the warm, comforting recipe she's preparing today. For this dish, Jenny starts by turning the Instant Pot to saute. She adds the olive oil, chopped bacon, and diced onion, letting everything cook together for 2 to 3 minutes. Next comes the minced garlic, just a quick 30 seconds to bloom the flavor. Then she adds the chopped collards, pours in 1 cup of chicken broth and 1 cup of water, and seasons with a teaspoon of salt. After a good stir, the lid goes on and the collards cook on high pressure for 30 minutes. When the timer beeps, the greens are tender, fragrant, and ready to serve. Smoky, savory, and bursting with southern comfort. A simple recipe made with fresh ingredients from right outside the door. That's truly farm to table. Thanks for joining us for the Farm to Table series. We'll see you next time as another harvest makes its way from the garden to the cabin to the table.